Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, let's fight for the right to repair, yes? And you remember this? Let's do it with Inte.Team, yes? So today's episode will be about the Inte.Team. Because I'm waiting on the parts, on the components, and I can't do certain repairs which occupy me here space, I've decided to do two episodes. One which was recorded I think yesterday, and today is the next one. And then we will go back to repairs, yes? So I'll show you the website, maybe. I'll slide to the... Okay, slide to the slides. And now, okay, so that's the main page. This is in purpose like a toxic color, just to highlight the poisonous we've created in the world, yes? As you can see, you can choose to become a member, partner, or leader, or just a client, yes? Then you don't have to have a membership or partnership with us, or don't become a leader, and so on. This is for the UK. This will redirect to this page anyway, because we don't plan for now to open international branches, yes? So this address Inte.Team is irrelevant. Inte.Team and e-waste, yes? So that's the first project which we were fighting with, the right to repair. That's why it's e-waste. That's why it's so toxic. And then we've got e-commerce as well built in. That's we were choosing, but we've decided that this doesn't match. So then graphic designer created this one, and the pick was that this is not so, not so vivid. Yes, this is more vivid, more highlighted, neon-y, and so like more poisonous. So you will go with this one. So we were just like picking stuff up. But what I want to say is, you see here is, notice the problem, and we want to write on the sub page, which you will click here, yes? We want to write that at the moment we are, it's just, that's better or that's better. I don't know which one's better, to be true. You can see my face. Okay, anyways, I would have to go this way so you can see me. So yeah, so we want to show that the right to repair is the first problem, yes, but there are other problems like food is not super healthy, yes, and people are many times overeating, whereas with age your immune system is going down, yes, inflammatory states are going up because every day you've got inflammatory states, and what's happening is we're overeating because our metabolism is slowing down and we should eat less, whereas we don't eat less, we get bad habits, yes? And that's a science, that's nothing extraordinary here. I didn't invented something new. So we will be talking about medical doctors who are showing that for free online, it's just that we need to self-educate ourselves. That's why it's an Inte.Team, integrity team. So one project after another, we will be doing these things, yes? We're starting off right to repair because it's a huge anyway, and we can't do it anything else. We don't have such a large team to do more projects than one at the time. Once this will be established, then we can go for another project and another project. Once we will have, let's say, 100,000 members, then we can think of maybe signing up contract with either Virgin or Free or some other company, and then have our own networks and our own broadband, yes? Our own brands, which we will be proud of and we will have benefits of, yes, not somebody else on us. So that's the plan, yes, but we need an integrity, yes, that's why it's an Inte.Team. So here is learn to begin the change, yes, so what it takes to make this change, yes, and are you with us or against us? Yes, pretty much, yes, and be the change with us, just join, yes, so that's what it is. So here is more. Subscribe doesn't work yet, as you've seen at the very top. We're still developing this site. No purchases are available at the moment. We're developing this website for over a year now on a part-time basis. Several people on a part-time basis. Yes, I was doing it at the beginning as well, but then we've decided no way I can do everything. So So I've quit on it and I just do bits and bobs something, but we've got a team. So want to learn more, it's here, join now, and about our shop. Now you can use our e-commerce shop, yes, that's not a problem. If you will go to shop, that will be created now next, because it's working from the backside, it doesn't work from the, it is working, yes, it is working, but it's not working the way we want it. So this data is pulled up from the database already, but for instance, this filter doesn't work, yes, or anything here in the categories. So it will be now recreated as well. There is no shop banner here. There's only, I think, 2 banners missing, because about has its own banner. Yes, about page has its own banner. FAQ has, but need to be corrected because it's too big. It's just too bulky for the for the website. It need to be smaller. We need to add categories to the FAQ. These are accordions, yes, so each category will have those accordions, and they are editable from the admin site already. Then project updates, I've added so that everyone who's coming to the website will see what's next, what we've done till now, and so on, yes. Now blog is as well here. Now blog will be done. It's not yet finished. It's tons of work. Contact is not up to date because it's not my details, but you've got my phone number, my mobile here, yes, make a call. So you can literally go here to our Facebook page as well. You see, you can have our Facebook page. Here's, I think, as well, yes, that's Inte.Team as well. You need to remove, you see, those like contact and so on from this. I'll update this as well. We need to activate this because it's just a static HTML. So it's you see, oh, maybe they've done it actually, but irrelevant, it's just a development stage. Then you've got a login here. Oh, okay, so yes, so in products and services, yes, what we will do is we will have products which we've created or we are selling, and services which we are offering, yes. So you don't have to become a member, but you can become a customer, and you might need some electronic repair from us, yes. So this is the admin. No, we need some member or some partner. Member. I've got different. I'll post and I'll log in because I don't remember credentials. I just installed it on this URL. I had it on my local machine, and I don't remember the login and the password. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Now we don't have any like a finished design of certain subpages here, but you can see that it's a general idea already, yes. So this is a partner site. This is responsive mobile, so that's that's okay. You can change the design as always in our apps. We're trying to do. Oh, there's no save button yet. Okay, so we will change the website and subpage, and it will change the color. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, so it's auto save here. You see, sometimes one developer will do this way, second developer will do the other way, yes. So anyways, you see we've got here add user profile. We've got a partner, rank is partner, yes. You can follow the person, okay, you can follow the person. Well, it's me, so I can't follow, but you can look for somebody else and you can follow them. It's the same way like you've got on the Facebook and other, Twitters and so on, yes. If the person provides in the public profile their social media, you will have it here, yes, and you can message the person as well. So that's what it is for now. Then you've got 2 types of addresses, yes. You've got billing address, delivery address, and there is one extra field which is should be Google Place ID, where it is. Billing, delivery address. Okay, my addresses, it will be here. It's a place ID, Google Place ID. Why? Because your address might be here, yes, and the delivery should be here, and the Google Maps doesn't point. So if you will have Google Place ID, then it will be easier for the driver to drop off the stuff without wandering about and wasting your and their time. Yes, so that's what I've asked to add as well. This is just temporary. I didn't have any, like a way of filling the space. Yes, I've added here as well if somebody wants to fill in introvert or extrovert. So if you are closed inside yourself or open more to people, then you can pick it up. Then you can mark it, because we don't want to approach every person the same way. We know people are different, and if person want to be recognized as that, we don't want this person to feel less comfortable than they could. Yes, so that's the whole point. The same we're doing marketing for introverts and for extroverts, so that's mean people will be approached the proper way. So you've got a search user here. Yes, that's a partner, as you see. So that's the public profile. Membership, you can sign up with a member. Now, why we need it's in dollars, I know, but why we need a membership? Yes, and please don't look at the data in below the each of them. Yes, here. Now, membership is only for people who would like to save money with us. So what this means is that, let's say you've got a device. Yes, you've got a phone, or you've got a tablet or laptop or whatever. Now, most of people are people who've got less money than those people who've got more money, or less people can save and more people cannot save. Yes, and then what's happening is people are paying insurance. Imagine yourself, I'll have my Motorola. Excuse me. Well, somewhere I had my Motorola. I don't have my Motorola. But anyways, I've got a device, and I'm paying for this device, let's say £10 or something, or £15 per month for the insurance. And what I have at the end of the year is spending of times 12 of those months. Sorry guys, I had a situation here. So anyways, if you've got the insurance and you've got this spending, yes, each and every month, you simply loosen on it. Now, do we want people to lose money? Well, we don't want people to lose money. That's weird. I'm doing it from this side and it's doing from the other side. But anyways, I'll push it. Okay, I'm trying to show you. Split this screen a bit better, and believe me, I'm struggling with. Okay, because I wanted to, like you see, both not cut it halfway. So what it is now is, a person would like to save up money so that the next purchase of the phone wouldn't be on the installments from the mobile company. Let's say they would only take SIM card and pay few quid, yes, per month, or let's say 10-15 pounds per month, rather than paying 30-40, yes, or 50 pounds per month. That's possible with us, because what we're doing is you can save up money in the wallet, and once you hit your goal, which you will set up here, because you've got here, I'm struggling with certain things here. E-wallet here. Yes, so then you've got wallet, and there's as well settings which are not coded yet, so unfortunately I can't show you everything, but it's working this way that if you will have your limit that you want to save up £400, for instance, then you will be adding up money until you will reach that level. Once you hit that level, then you can spend on the device you want from the shop. But only from the shop. You can't just withdraw the money. You will need to spend in our e-commerce web store. Yes. Now, why we got these My Devices here again? is because we want to know, we want to verify if you're telling truth or not. Now, why we want to check you? Yes, because it's your money, you should be able to do whatever you want with it. Yes, but many people are like this, I need money for this, yes, or I need money for that. But when the time will come and they need money for something really important for them, to them, yes, then what's happening is they don't have this money. Whereas if they can save up this 10 pounds, 10 pounds, 10 pounds per month, for instance, and then for the membership, yes, so that will be going 8 pounds to their e-wallet. So then they will have at the end of the year a certain amount of money. Now you might be saying, why I want to pay those 2 pounds extra? Well, 1 pound is for the right to repair and 1 pound is to manage the business. So that's for the, for the all support, servers, everything, yes? Now we will be using this money from the right to repair, this 1 pound, and we will be using the 1 pound from support and servers and development to build more features to it. So within time you will see here our own private video player, the same way you've got at YouTube, for instance, yes? And you will have your own, what else? You will have your own, there was more, YouTube, and I wanted to build here one more stuff. I know that the last thing which I want to build, when we will be having like a lot of funds, then build something like a Netflix, yes, but that's the last part, not the first part. So that will take years to do it, really a lot of years. First I wanted the YouTube, yes, but I wanted to do a YouTube in 2 qualities, okay, and I'll tell you why. Because most of the people, they don't care that much about the quality of audio or video, yes, they want to have an access and they don't want to have commercials. So when we pay those fees, we can have it with no commercials, yes, simple, because we pay for it, yes, and that's our demand for it. So web developers have to deliver it, yes, and support have to help us. Not that we're like struggling to get any help from YouTube because the support is just made just to be there, but nothing else. Here we put customers in the first place, okay, so that's why it has to be, the cost has to be slightly higher than, let's say, other companies will say, yes, because we want you to be happy. That's why it's Integrity Team, not some just another company. So now okay, we've got 18 minutes. I will try to not go above 30 minutes. So what it is imagine yourself having your own software where you can pick, let's say, the highest quality, yes, in the app. And then when you're streaming, you've got an option to download as well, yes, so you can download that. You don't have to stream. If you listen it quite often and you've got a good hi-fi and you will distinguish the difference of a good audio file versus the poor audio quality, then we want you to enjoy that quality of the sound, because I enjoy this kind of quality and I would really appreciate to have a choice at YouTube to have that quality, and I don't, yes. I can go to Spotify, I see the difference in the recordings. Many times, the good recording at YouTube, it's still not as good as some of the recordings, I see on the Spotify, yes? So I would like to have it, but again, Spotify don't offer other things, yes? So we want to build an app which we will be satisfied with, where people will be satisfied with. And for sure we can do better, guys, for sure. They don't have, you see, the thing is that they don't have competition. That's their problem. That's their problem for now. They don't have it, and they have to have us because we are their clients. And when they will have us as a competition, they will try better, okay? And they really can do better, believe me. Because I've spoken with many people many times, and they can do better. It's only that they don't have competition. They don't have to try harder. Yes, that's the whole point. When wars are coming, it's a need for certain quick development, and then that need creates a momentum to create something better. And out of wars, many times you've seen many good development of technologies. Whereas these companies can do whatever they want because they don't have competition. Yes. How many competition Netflix has? How many competition YouTube has? Yes, they don't. Pretty much. And those competitions which they have, they are oriented in one way, like Disney. Yes, you will go and you watch at Disney, but that's that's not everything like Netflix is offering. So that's the point of Inte.Team. Let's integrate. Let's do something better. Let's show them, these big companies, try better, because we're watching you. And if we watching you, we will do better. Believe me, we will do better. And by integrity, we can do it. That's why we need this £1 from every member, 1 million members, and £1 million per month to deliver these kind of projects. Yes. And that's why we don't want everyone in the country. We don't want 30 million, 40 million, 50 million people signed up at Inte.Team. We don't want that. We want only 1 million. We will make the change with only 1 million people from around the world. It doesn't have to be from the UK. Those people who believe in what we're doing, yes? Either this person will just make a donation to the right to repair, yes, .uk, right-to-repair.uk. Either they will just make a donation, like £12 per year, or a few quid, or 50 quid, or whatever they will be feeling, yes? Or these people can subscribe if they are living in the UK for now, because we don't have Inte.Team for all other countries. So then if somebody will sign up here, they can save up this money and spend this money later in our shop, yes? Then when we'll add their own devices, like my phone, and this phone will be faulty, then this person is saying my phone is faulty, okay? So this person has a credit now of certain amount of money, and we're saying, okay, no problem, we'll posting you a package to pick it up, so you can just wrap it and send it back to us, and we're sending you this device which you've chosen, yes, now, because you can pay from your own money at the wallet, and we're sending you that, and then we can fix your own device, try to fix, and then ask you, okay, we can't fix it, or we can fix it for this amount of money. If you agree to the terms, yes, then what's happening is we attempt the repair, and then when we attempt the repair, we can then either resell it on the market, or if you agree that you want this device back, you only pay the repair fee, and we're taking back the device which we send you, yes? So it's up to you. You need to first decide up front if you want to fix it and you want a spare device on the time of repair, or and you don't want to, let's say, use your savings yet, or you want a new phone now and you want to recycle your own device, yes? So we will attempt then repair. If we can't repair it, we will value it on the parts value, and we will then pay back what we value. Like Mazuma does, like other companies are doing, yes. We will be trying to pay a bit more than them, and I'll explain it why. Because we can sign up contracts with repair shops all over the country and teach new people, open their own repair shops all over the country. Now what's happening is these companies, these small businesses at home, they won't pay premises, and they can do X amount of repairs each month, yes? So their cost is only the devices, yes, like I've got here. And that's it, and they use their own spare time. So for them, paying £10 for Xbox, it's like, wow, give me, because I can resell it far more, yes? Whereas if they can fix it, they can resell it for even more. So that's why, this person can give you, let's say, £20 for this Xbox, or sometimes £30 for this Xbox, whereas Mazuma will only give you £10 for this Xbox faulty, yes? So that's what we're trying to do. We want to create people who can fix devices if we can't sign up contracts with businesses, yes? So either we will find these businesses and they will have accounts at Book Repair Online and we can make contracts with them, or we can just teach people how to repair their own stuff and then sign up contracts with us. And maybe you won't have to even send to us, but you will be able to go to our local repair shop, which we've got a contract with, and repair over there and use money from the e-wallet to pay for that repair if you don't have money in the house for the repair. So you see, so that's what we're building. Now dojo is a training center, like the Japanese dojo, yes? So you're not only learning how to do marketing of our Inte.Team, but how to develop your life on the better level, so you can achieve more goals, you can fulfill your life with happiness, and how to win friends, yes, how to do many aspects of your life which will make you a better copy of yourself. So that's the dojo, sorry. That's the dojo. Doji is a candle in candlestick trading at Forex, for instance, or at stocks. Sorry for the doji. But what I want to say is with a dojo, yes? Dojo is all training center where videos and levels, you will have levels. Within time we will be doing it as a game. It will be game, so you will have tasks and you will need to complete them. Some of the tasks you will have to complete in the real life. Some of them you will have to complete by playing game online, yes? So this is a really exciting thing, it's a completely different training center that you've seen, yes? Then it's a how to invite, partnership, chat, shop, of course, FAQ, of course. So the rest I don't have to explain it, but now you see we've got 26 minutes, we've made it in half an hour. So now you see the Inte.Team is not a typical business which you've seen, yes? Plus you've got a partnership which you've got 10% off when you bring in your friends from their membership. So what this means is we've got you here. Now you will invite one friend and you're losing 20 pounds, but because you invited that friend, you've got 10% back. So if you will do it, you don't lose 20%, you lose only 10%. If you will bring another friend, yes, then you've got 20%. So only the transaction fees you're paying, but the rest you've got back. So you're good. If you bring third friend to Inte.Team, guess what? Now you've got a small profit from us and you pay 10, but you receive more than a 10. So that's why, we can't give you 20 or 30 or 40% on the smallest 10-pound package. Excuse me, because we need to sustain this business, give you great support and develop it further. So sorry, we can't do, but 10% is something, affordable, yes? And members will have only opportunity to go down to zero. Members won't be able to have profits. In order to have profits with Inte.Team, you need to have those bigger values of your life. That's mean you need to learn how to become a leader, because inviting friends is a one thing, yes, but if you want to be better person, achieve your goals, achieve your dreams, you need to change the way you live. Leaders are not always born, yes, they are made. So in order for you to make yourself a leader, there are certain 10 to 15 skills which you need to gain. That's why we need a dojo, the training center, yes? And then you can work on your skills one through another to the last one. And then it's taking, sometimes it's taking years to become a leader, yes? But then if you will be a leader, you will be making good money even with Inte.Team by just inviting people to the Inte.Team. We bring in a whole lot of change. We creating a unstoppable machine, because if we won't do it, there are other people who know to look. If we won't do it, what we've done, they've got all blueprint of this business and they will do this business, yes? So if this will go sideways, no problem, there are other people who will be doing it, yes? And quite a few actually. I thought I'll stop at 5, but I stopped counting after 5. So yeah, there are people all over the world which will be doing it what we're doing if we are not successful. So that's a good thing, that people are looking what we're doing and people are happy what we're doing, and they look forward to join when we will, because quite a few people are from different countries, okay? So when we will be established here, we will have a good blueprint of how we've made it. Then we will be opening another countries, and then this software what we have, we will just translate it to their own language, yes? And then these people can sign up their people from their places, create the same model, copy the same model, yes? In other countries, fit it into their law, local law, because the problem only is that not every law is equal, yes? So some things you can do in the UK, some things you can't do in other country, yes? And that's the life. So that's why we're starting off the UK. We will have this blueprint, and then we can take this blueprint, translate it to another language, give it to the lawyers, you know, show them how we're working, how we operate, and how it's working. Because for now, this blueprint only is in the way we see it, and for the British citizen, yes, not for let's say any other country. And then we can take it from there, guys. I've overtalked myself. I should be finishing in 30 minutes, so thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.